How to help a family member immigrate. This video will talk you through rules for helping family members who want to come to the United States or get legal status if they are already here. First, to manage some expectations. This is often harder and more limited than people assume. There are often different rules for who can apply and who can come, depending on your legal status and relationship. A citizen of the U.S. can sponsor their spouse, children, and if the citizen is at least 21, they can sponsor their parents and siblings. A permanent resident, someone with a green card, can sponsor their spouse and unmarried children. That's it. You can't sponsor any other more distant relatives. First, you have to prove that you are related, usually through birth or marriage certificates. You do this by filing Form I-130 with USCIS. This gets your relative a place in line to immigrate. Second, once they get to the front of the line, they can apply for a green card. There are different waiting times depending on a few things: your status, citizen or permanent resident, the relationship, spouse, child, sibling, and the country where your relative is a citizen. In most cases, your relative has to wait outside the United States until their application is approved. They don't have permission to live or work in the United States while they wait. The only exception is if you are a citizen applying for your spouse, parents, if you're over 21, or unmarried kids under 21. Those family members can apply for their green card at the beginning of the process, as long as they entered the country legally. When you file to sponsor a relative, you are agreeing to financially sponsor them. You have to show your income is at or above 125% of the federal poverty level. If you don't have enough money to meet the qualifications, you can get a co-sponsor. The sponsorship says you will make sure your relative won't rely on public benefits like food stamps, Social Security, or other programs. Head to LawHelpMN for more information and referral to lawyers.